Hello everyone, how are you? I think you're all great by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I pray for you always be safe and stay at home uh, if you don't have any emergency. Okay, I'm gonna tell you today is all about coulda, shoulda, and woulda. In my previous video, okay, I discussed a lot of things about coulda, shoulda, and woulda. How to use properly and how the short forms of these past models. Okay, I discussed details of it in my previous video. Now today just practice. Okay, I come here today just with you for practice only. Okay, that's why I write here speaking practice with coulda, shoulda, and woulda. Okay, I think my friends, you got my point, and I think you're ready with me. Okay, so let's get started. Just for only practice. Okay, so I would like to say one sentence by using coulda. Okay, so number one, they could have been hurt. Okay, except this sentence, we can say that they could have been hurt. Okay, so we use here coulda is a short form of could have, or we can say that the contraction. Okay, coulda is a contraction of could have. Okay, when we will use this type of sentences, okay, in our spoken language or in our spoken English, so we should use this sentence. Okay, they could have been hurt, because native speakers always use this sentence, and it comes from American English pronunciation. I think everyone should know the correct pronunciation of American English. Okay, and next sentence would be, for your better understanding, I'd like to say I could have tried harder. I could have tried harder. Okay, and I could have tried harder. Okay, here I use coulda. It's the short form of could have. Okay, so I could have tried harder. This type of sentence, okay, we will use every time in our spoken English, because when I will say one foreigner, and basically comes from foreign country, and when the foreigner will use the contraction based sentence of past modals, so if we know the contractions of past modals, so we could understand properly. But if we don't know the contraction of past modals, so we cannot understand properly. That's why we have to know. Okay, so next sentence, we could have gone there. Okay, we could have gone there. Except this sentence, we could have gone there. Okay, so so practice more. Okay, I think you should practice regularly without practicing anything. Okay, I think so it's impossible to reach one's goal. Okay, so you should practice regularly. So next sentence, they could have won the race. Okay, so we can say that they could have won the race. So coulda I use here is a short form or contractions of could have. Okay, so my friends, I think you could understand properly. I mentioned here some sentences of coulda. Coulda is a short form of past modals, that is could have, okay. Mind it, okay. So next, past modals, I'd like to discuss shoulda. Shoulda is a short form of or contractions of should have, okay. So let's discuss. Number one, for a better understanding, okay, I included 3 sentences for a better understanding and just for only practice, okay. So number one, I should have never got married. I should have never got married. So except this sentence, we will use in our spoken English or spoken language, I shoulda never got married, okay. So shoulda I use here because I shoulda never got married. This is a standard form, and the native speakers always use this kind of sentence in their spoken language. So you have to learn, okay. I think my friends, you got my point. So I shoulda got married. I shoulda never got married. So next sentence, I should have seen it coming. I should have seen it coming, okay. So except this sentence, we can say I shoulda seen it coming. I shoulda seen it coming. So this kind of sentences always we use in our spoken language. So that's why we should know. And last sentence would be they should have been there. They should have been there, okay. So except this sentence, by using contraction or short form, okay, of should have, we can use they should have been there. They should have been there, okay. So my friends, I think you got it properly, and you understood properly and about shoulda, okay. Now next past modals would be woulda, okay. Woulda is a short form of would have, okay my friend. So let's discuss, okay, about woulda is a short form of would have. So by using woulda, so number one sentence for a better understanding, I would have thought so, okay. I repeat, I would have thought so. So except this sentence, I can say I would have thought so. This is very smart sentence, okay, standard sentence, naturally used in our daily conversation, okay. So next sentence would be I would have gone to the party. I would have gone to the party, okay. So we can say that by using contraction of would have, I would have gone to the party. Last one, I can say I would have called you. I would have called you, okay. So except this sentence, we can say that I would have called you. Okay my friends, I think you understood properly, and I think the exercises, the statements I wrote here for your better understanding, because if you practice more, you will learn more, okay. This is the issue. So you know better, I think many words, I think many sentences, but if you don't practice regularly, you cannot understand properly. It may be your opposite person, okay, to your colleagues, to your friends. And maybe your friends or colleagues know better than you. I think it's not a factor when you will develop yourself. Okay, so my friends, that's all for today. And again, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, because when I upload new videos for you, okay, with new informations, you can get easily. So please wait till then, okay, and take care. Bye bye.